Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print out a story that you are reading on the Readmio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the news button down below and you should select a reading. So click on it and tap on this printer icon in the middle of the screen. Click on print from the phone. As you can see, you should select the printer first. After that, you should select the number of copies that you want to make. So size it up by tapping on the plus icon or the minus icon. You can arrange the pages if you don't want to print out the whole story, only just particular pieces of the story. And here down below you can check out the layout and the preview of the story that you are going to print out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.